Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I came up with a very important topic. We are going to talk about browser extension. Okay, most of us are using browser extension in your day-to-day life, like ad blockers, download extension, password managers, and many more. But the problem is we don't give a proper attention while giving permissions. We just click allow and move on, right? So but do you know what is the actually happening in the background once you give those permissions? Now I will explain three common permission in very simple way. Okay, so the first one is read your browser history. Like I will show my Chrome. So let me take my Chrome and add account. So for that, just to click this and go to the extension, manage extension. So here I have installed two extension. Just to click details for this extension. So here you can see the permission, right? So these extension can access, read your browser history, block content on any page, modify data, you copy and paste. Okay, just I will explain this one by one. So the first one is read your browsing history. This permission actually allows the extension to see which website you are visiting right now. That means which site you open, how frequently you visiting the website, and what type of website you are using. If the extension is not trusted, this data can be misused. Like your browsing habit itself is sensitive information, right? And so for this particular permission, this is very important. And the second one, block content on any page. Okay, so this permission will allows the extension to block or hide content on any websites. Like normally this is used to block ads, block pop-ups, but if misused it can also hide important information on your web page without you even knowing. Okay, and final one is modify data you copy and paste. So this will be very dangerous permission actually. If an extension has access to copy paste data, it can read whatever you copy. For example, passwords, OTPs, bank details, personal messages. You may think you are pasting safely, but the extension can see it in the background. Okay, and the final one is read and change all data on website you visit. Here you can see allow this extension read and change all your data on website you visit. There they provided three options. One is on click, on specific sites, on all sites. Okay, so this is the most powerful permission. If you allow this, the extension can read page content, it can change the website, it can inject its own code. That means whatever you see on the website can be modified by the extension. If you are clicking on click, it's particularly for some clicks. Okay, and if you are selecting on specific site, particularly for some particular specific site, if you are clicking on all sites, the extension can access all the sites, whatever the sites you are right now working. So the extension can access the all sites. Okay, why this is risky? Browser extension actually don't need hack the website. They work inside your browser, so they can see what you type, what you click, what you copy, what you see silently. Okay, so and I will show you a demo live injection, how the hackers will inject the JS code into your browser using some malicious extension. Okay, now I am going to create a simple demo extension and explain how DOM injection works. Okay, so don't worry, this is not a malware, this is only to understand the risk. Okay, so okay, now you are seeing my screen. Let me just take my file explorer. Yeah, so I have created a basic Chrome extension with just three files: the manifest, content, the background JS. Okay, so in the manifest .json file, let me open. Okay, so this is my manifest file. Here this line is very important. Okay, this permission scripting active tab, this is very important one. and this one, host permission all URLs. Okay, so this means the extension can run scripts on any website you visit. Now imagine if a malicious developer uses this, it will be risky because the developer can see all your sites, so whatever that sites you're accessing right now, uh, they can access your details, right? So now let me move into another file. This is content.js. Okay, so I'm injecting a simple JavaScript. For demo, I'm just reading page content, logging from logging form inputs, and modifying a button text. But attackers can do more, like capturing login inputs, read session cookies, and send data to the remote server, all silently. Okay, so now I'm using some input areas and text areas, the passwords. Okay, so in the main page top, the main heading div section, it will show like a live input monitor, the demo. I think it will be in the bottom, I think. Okay, and moving to the another file, this is background.js. Let me open this file. Yeah, this code actually doing, whenever a web page finishes loading, this extension automatically inject content.js file into the page. Okay, so user doesn't need to click anything, it will be load whenever the page loads, this content.js will be inject. Okay, okay, now let me explain how to load the extension in your Chrome browser or any other browser. Okay, so in this case I am just using my Chrome browser. Open my Chrome browser, right click this three icon and go to extensions, navigate to manage extensions. So here you can see your already installed extensions. So for loading the our injection demo, first we have to click developer mode. So and then the left side you can see load and packed. So here you have to inject your demo extension package. Okay, so now let me take my file. So here it is, select folder. So now we could see, and this is injected. So for example, now navigate to any sites. So here this is republic.com. so I'm just trying to create account, continue to email. So I'm just typing any email address. Okay, so in the right side bottom you can see whatever the things I am typing in the input box, it's all fetching my keystrokes. Okay, and the password also I can type whatever the password. For some security purpose I just hided this, but hackers don't hide this. They can easily get your email ID and password in all sites. Okay, so this is a best example for the injection. Okay, okay, now I'm going to remove this extension because I don't need this. Just to remove this extension and just disable this developer mode. To some of while extension are useful, they can also pose security risk if their permission are misused, right? So always install extension from trusted sources and regularly review the permission you grant. Okay, so if you have found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to more insight into info regarding the cyber security. Okay, so see you in the next video.